Washing your hands is one of the best ways to prevent illness by reducing the spread of germs. When you wash your hands, you combine friction, soap, and water to remove germs. That's why it's important you allow enough time for the soap and water to lather. There are 6 steps you can follow when washing your hands to make sure they are thoroughly cleaned. Start by turning on the water, thoroughly wetting your hands, and applying liquid or bar soap. Then follow these 6 steps. Step 1. Press your hands together, palm to palm. Step 2. Press each palm over the back of the opposing hand. Step 3. Interlace your fingers, palm to palm. Step 4. Interlock your fingers. Step 5. Rotate your thumbs in the opposing palm. Step 6. Rotate your fingertips in the opposing palm. Always rinse your hands with your fingertips pointed down. Rinsing well also helps prevent your skin from becoming irritated. Use a clean towel to dry your hands. When you're done drying, use the towel to turn off the tap. This prevents you from getting new germs on your hands. When washing your hands, choose a comfortable water temperature that allows you to complete the full 6-step process. Use liquid or bar soap, and make sure you lather for at least 20 seconds. If you don't have soap and water nearby, hand sanitizer is a great alternative when your hands are not visibly soiled. When using hand sanitizer, follow the same 6 steps as when washing your hands with soap and water. The sanitizer should be 60 to 80% alcohol-based. Squirt the sanitizer into your cupped palm, about the size of a loonie will do. Step 1. Press the hands palm to palm. Step 2. Press each palm over the back of the opposing hand. Step 3. Interlace your fingers, palm to palm. Step 4. Interlock your fingers. Step 5. Rotate your thumbs in the opposing palm. Step 6. Rotate your fingertips in the opposing palm. Continue this process until all the sanitizer is distributed and your hands are completely dry, usually about 20 to 30 seconds. For more information on hand hygiene, visit WorksafeBC.com.